What's the meaning of coin? Coin. Coin.
Coin. Coin. The term coin can have different meanings depending on the context. In general, a coin is a small, usually round piece of metal or other material used as currency. Coins are typically issued by governments or other authorized entities and have a specific value assigned to them. Coins can also be collectible items or used in games or gambling. The use and importance of coins have evolved throughout history, with some coins becoming highly valuable due to rarity or historical significance. Overall, coins serve as a physical representation of value and a means of exchange in various economic contexts.